Backend database server. Though the front end is provided by a web server or application server, but the actual data is stored in the database server, which is backend server. Thus, to get access to any such data is feasible if one knows the information about the database server, such as database server vendor and version of the database server. The tools that we'll use to cover this information will be Google Hacking Database and Shodan. Let's jump into the demo part and have a look at them one by one. To gather database specific information, here we are using Google Hacking Database and the Google Docs for SQL queries. Let's copy this and search it in Google. Let's click one of the links, and as you can see, it is a PHP admin dump. It provides you with plenty of information, the queries that are used, the user accounts, the passwords, everything is mentioned over here. Let us go to shodan.io website and log in. I'll log in here with my Google account. Once I log in, I'll search for mysql, and as you can see, I have found out plenty of records. Here are the MySQL servers. You can filter out by countries, by top services. Here is the list of MySQL servers that are available. You can search by top organizations as well. Sensitive directory. The front end for the internet-based server is generally a web server, FTP server, or application server. However, such servers may have been misconfigured due to insufficient knowledge, lack of security consideration, etc. One such associated vulnerability could be sensitive directories being accessible with little efforts. Such sensitive directory may provide plethora of information. Let's have a look at the tools that will be used for gathering such information. They are Shodan and Google Docs. Let's jump into the demo part and look at them one by one. First, let's go to the website shodan.io. Here we will click explore and followed by tag in the URL, and we are trying to search for directories and files, and hence I'll give the tag as files. As you can see over here, here is option for directory listing. Here is option for unrestricted SMB, that is server message block shares. As you can see, we are able to find plenty of information here, etc. Let's try to find out the file or directory information using Google Docs. I used site as microsoft.com followed by extensions such as doc, docx, pdf, ppt, pptx, or pdf. As you can see, I am able to find plenty of PDF files, and if I try to open any one of them, I am able to view that file, or even for that matter can download the file. Let's use different criteria. We use the same site:/microsoft.com. In title is index of. Here it should be able to provide me with the directories. Here is one. Let us open another one. And let's open third one. Let's see. I am able to find the directory and the file they are in. I can search the directory again. I can find directories. Similarly, I am able to find plenty of files in a particular directory.